Hey guys, welcome back to our channel here on YouTube. For those of you that are just now tuning in for the first time, hello. I'm Rachel with vicrez.com, and on display for you here is one of our newest products. A front-end facelift for your Nissan 350z that I am honestly really excited to show you all today. The Vicrez 370z styled Nismo front bumper. Now you can find this hot ticket item in stock, on shelf, and online now at vicrez.com as vz101711. But surely our inventory won't last long, as this iconic front bumper is in high demand and already beginning a debut for those first lucky few to have grabbed them up and gotten them out on the road. Made to fit Nissan 350z vehicles that were manufactured between the years of 2003 up to 2008, this front bumper offers a unique advantage, a stock fit for those 350zs needing an OEM fitted front end replacement. From normal wear and tear to auto collisions, even just those random freak accidents, this front bumper will have your Z back on the street in no time. Truly, every Nismo feels like a Nismo with Nissan, so why not make your Nissan look like a Nismo with Vicrez? Sought after world-round by Nissan 350z owners and drivers everywhere, this 370z style Nismo front bumper offers the opportunity for an upgrade of a lifetime. Unique only to the Nismo, this bumper holds true to the authentic appearance we have come to know and love. So for those who have a real need for enhanced aerodynamic design and a low drag coefficient, plus looking for some serious downforce without having to compromise at all for style, consider your needs met, matched, and surpassed. The aerodynamic body style looks the way it does for one simple reason: pure function. Painstakingly accurate in design down to every millimeter. This front bumper will create additional downforce that helps you as the driver maintain stability at very high speeds, as this 370z Nismo styled front bumper features a newly revamped and track-tested design. By combining the use of both 3D scanning and CAD data, we were able to capture engineering optimizations that ensure our Vicrez parts will fit your vehicle on the first try. However, Vicrez does recommend professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting any DIY or self-installation. Just please make sure to test fit all aftermarket products before having them painted, installed, or modified in any way. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. We will have some more videos coming out soon. Just make sure you hit that like button below and head on over to our channel to subscribe so that way you get the 411 on our newest product releases first. If you're looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight over to your inbox, head over to vicrez.com and make sure that you sign up to our weekly newsletter.